Hey everyone, for this video, I'll teach you how to unlock your permanent Snap account. With this tutorial, you'll be able to recover a previously locked account. So let's go ahead to Google or any other browser. For example, I'm using Opera. And then search for Snapchat or my Snapchat account is locked. So it'll take you to Snapchat support at the top. So it's gonna take you here and then tap on the search bar, and then my account is compromised. So just go down, X, this didn't, whatever, and then just tap on contact us. And basically just tap on, I think my account was compromised. Basically you're submitting a request to ask them to fix it. Just type all of your details here and then the description saying that your account has been compromised and that it wasn't you, so they'll take pity and then just fix it for you. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.